It's Dez here again with Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, November 19th, 2013. And taking a look here at the markets, bearish territory. You had the S&P down 0.2%, the NASDAQ down 0.44%, Dow down a fraction with the Russells down 0.53%, the banks down 0.2%, the VIX up 2.2%, so fear has increased. We're now over 13.4, and we have gold up a mere fraction, silver still down 0.28% with crude oil up 0.31 or 30%, and the US dollar down a fraction. Transportation index down a whopping 1%. Utilities, the defensive sector, down 0.84%. And take a look here at the S&P 500. You'll see that we have this rising wedge type formation taking place. Today, if we blow this up, I want you to pay special attention to this. We do have a lower high, lower low. With that, we still have a higher swing high, but the MACD, which is a centered oscillator, is giving us a lower swing high. When you have this line going higher and this line going lower, that's called a divergence. In this case, this would be a bearish divergence. Whatever this line is doing down here on the MACD is what this will want to do next. So it's a precursor to what should take place. So we're seeing some big time weakness out there in the markets. We do have a rising wedge, and if we do break down, that could in fact be bearish. Now, the flip side of that is this. The Fed, as long as they keep buying up the bonds, that's going to keep the markets going higher. So to start to short into this market might be certain suicide. Just be careful with that. The Dow now has given us a tweezer top. We have spinning tops with the tweezer top. Big time bearish formation. Yesterday, for all of you guys who said that we had, let me go back to the S&P, why this is a dark cloud cover instead of a engulfing pattern is because the close of the previous candlestick did not go lower than the open of the previous candlestick. So this here is called a dark cloud cover. So kudos to all you guys and gals who got that correct there in YouTube and on the website itself and Twitter, and those who follow us on podcasts, which is a big group. It's amazing how many people are following us from all different areas. 155 countries represented here as far as followers are concerned. Pretty cool. Here's gold. Gold hanging down here near a support level. Silver actually down below an area that I think should have acted as support. Really curious on what's going to happen here. Apple was up 0.2%. We did break down. We're finding a lot of weakness here, gang. Apple is in a lot of trouble. And Facebook just hanging out with the doji. Google down 0.62%. And then finding support at the flattening 20-day moving average. And LinkedIn, a little pullback with a doji. Might be able to get a rally out of this. Be watching for upside potential on LinkedIn. Microsoft just down, 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 down. But we're coming to a rising 20-day moving average that could in fact act as support. When we hit the 20-day, it's that blue line coming here, we bounce, 20-day, bounce, 20-day, bounce, near the 20-day, we could bounce again. So something to be watching for. Twitter gave us a big fat hammer today, down, 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 down. And we have buyers coming in at $40, $41 area and pushing that back higher. So they're buying up that weakness. Look for more upside potential here on Twitter. And might as well show you some of our big winners on our Stock Picks V newsletter for today. If you don't know what that is, go check it out. It is awesome. So what I'll do, I won't show you the whole list because if you're a subscriber you can get it. So just go here, down here to Stock Picks V newsletter, and that's how you get your big list of stock picks for the week. LCI was up 2.73%, and I mean, check this out. We were around $12. I would say this puts us around about $13. and now we're at 28 just a few months later. AKRX, we were down here around $16. Now we're at $24. Well, it was up 2.5% today. And so anyway, bear list. ALTR, it dropped 4.3% today. Boom, to the downside. I mean, it was up at $39. Now it's at $31. BWP, you can see that here. We were up around 32, 31 and some change, and now, man, we got down to 26 today. Wow. I mean, it was off by almost 4%. Slab, we were at 44, now we're at 37. These are all of our bear list stocks, you know, some of those that had big moves today. So anyway, check out the Stock Picks V newsletter. You get a new list each and every week of what we believe are fundamentally the strongest and the weakest stocks, along with those who are technically set up bullish and bearish. So short story is this: technical weakness as far as the markets are concerned, rising wedge on the S&P 500 with the bearish divergence. We have not broke down yet, but we have the Fed still, you know, putting the pedal to the metal on the stimulus. So there you have it. Share us with a friend, and hope you like the next little video logo animation that we're doing next. We're featuring it today.